DM. The battlefield is shrouded in smoke, the clang of steel echoing across the ruined temple. At the center, your fallen foe, the dreaded necromancer, lies motionless. Desperation thickens the air as your cleric raises the holy symbol, voice trembling with divine power. The gods themselves seem to pause as radiant energy surges forth. Cleric. I cast Revivify on the necromancer. DM. You want to bring back the villain who just tried to end the world? Cleric. Maybe he'll join our side if he sees the light. Also, I rolled a 2. Oops. DM. The necromancer's eyes snap open. Then he sits up, hiccuping violently. Each hiccup launches a random spell. Fireballs erupt, gusts of wind howl, and suddenly a rain of frogs pelts the battlefield. Chaos erupts. Your party scrambles to dodge exploding pews. The barbarian is nearly flattened by a flying chair. The paladin is now inexplicably covered in glitter and looks less than pleased. Cleric. Can I cast Cure Hiccups? DM. There is no such spell. The necromancer hiccups again, summoning a herd of spectral goats that stampede through the ruins. If this felt a little too real, like and subscribe for more D&D chaos. Like and subscribe for more.